for WISPER. It's called Veeramatri International Center for Peace Education and Research. It's basically working for the youth's issues like human rights and other employment issues. It is we was select 5 badges for training for trusteeship. Because of that, it's coming from the Veeramatri. It's called we are all are trustees for this world. Therefore, we should work for them, work for other peoples in this world to develop, to change the life in positive ways. It's really good manner, and we develop young people's like 100 and more like-minded youths in our country as well as in South Asia.